So in today's video, I'm gonna be vlogging my day. Another day where there's kind of a lot going on, which I feel like doesn't happen a ton when I'm at home. So I like to vlog when I think it'll be entertaining. As you guys saw this morning, I did some laundry. I've been kind of postponing it, so there was a lot to do because I'm going away tomorrow morning. So today we need to, I guess, just finish the laundry and then pack. So I thought we could make a packing list. I have an appointment at 10:15, 9:37, and it's July 21st. This probably won't be up till I come back. Oh my gosh, wait, this probably won't be up till like August, because then I only have a day to come back and I want to film another video before I go away for a few days. Anyway, I want to make a packing list, just like a brief idea of what I need to bring. It's only 3 days, so nothing too intense, but I know I need kind of like a comfy outfit to travel there and back. I know the first day we're just like touring Phoenix, I think, so I guess I can just put like one cute outfit, because then I think the next couple days we're just going on Jeep tours like through Sedona, and then the next day the Grand Canyon. So for those I kind of want like 2 exercise outfits just because we're gonna be like in the desert. I need pajamas, and for cute outfits I might pack a couple just in case. Well, 5 I'll just put like, maybe I'll put extra outfit. Oh, and a bathing suit we need. I'm gonna put camera equipment because I want to vlog, and I also want to bring my disposable camera. I need to bring my new one because my first one only has one left in it. I'm gonna put headphones, oh, these kind and these kind, in case we can like watch a movie on the plane. You usually need these. I put my rainbows and like the new Roxy sandals I got. They're kind of like cuter. Carry-on / purse, and I'll put like my toiletries and makeup. Oh, and like a hairbrush. Okay, that is my list so far. Just a very rough list, just so I kind of know what I'm doing when I get back. Oh yeah, my 10:15 appointment. I also want to order some Starbucks to get while I'm there, just since there's a lot going on downstairs right now. I didn't get any coffee or anything, and I'm going to European Wax Center, which is like right by a Starbucks, which is nice. But I'm getting a waxing down there. This is only my second time doing it, but I honestly noticed a big difference. Like, I feel like, okay, sorry if this is weird, but I actually wanted to know if there was a big difference, or like kind of the difference between doing different things, just because shaving, like, I really didn't like it, and I didn't even like the way it turned out. So waxing is pretty painful, but it's only like 10 minutes. Then you just don't have to worry about it until it starts growing back, and then you go get another. But you can even choose when to get it. It's not like you like have to get it right when it starts growing back. Like mine has been a little bit, but I just want to get it before I go to Arizona, go swimming, and like go to Miami. But the hairs are already really much finer and less of them. There's like no bumps, so it's really great. I like it a lot. I mean, I guess I'm not looking forward to like going there and then it being painful, but honestly I feel pretty calm about it because it just needs to get done. But it's honestly not too bad, and that's a lot coming from me because I feel like I have a pretty low pain tolerance, so it goes by kind of quick. I just get matcha because I don't know what I like for coffee. I feel like cold brews would be good, but I don't know. Oh my gosh, why is like everything sold out at this one? But the last couple times, for some reason, the matcha was like all at the bottom, which hasn't happened to me until recently, so that's kind of annoying because it's like hard to stir. And then I might get something to eat. I like their egg white bites. Okay, they're in my cart. All right, let's go, just so we have time to eat in the car. All right guys, I just got here and the order is still in progress, so I'm just gonna wait a little bit and then eat in here. Hopefully it's not too crowded when I go pick it up, but it's nice when you don't have to wait inside. Oh, it says my order's ready. Okay, well that was longer than I thought because the back door isn't open, so I had to go all the way around. It's European Wax now. This is what the egg white bites look like though. They look like that. They're really hot usually though, so I'm gonna let them cool off. And this is the latte. Very good. They're also really good hot, but it's kind of hot today, so it's nice to have an iced drink. Oh, that's to remind me about my appointment. All right, let's go. Okay guys, I just pulled into the driveway. I'm back home, and that one was so much better than the first. Like, it was way less painful, and the lady I had was really nice, so it made it go by quicker, just like talking. But yeah, she gave me a ton of like exfoliator recommendations, so I think I'm gonna go back and get one of those sometime because I don't have one. Because I guess you're supposed to exfoliate every couple days, like in between waxes, so I didn't do that. My first lady didn't tell me that. But yeah, let's go inside and check on the laundry. My laundry has about 10 more minutes, so I thought in the meantime we could start packing. The wash usually takes a while, like a lot longer than what it says, and the dryer usually takes a lot quicker than what it says, so it's weird. I think I want to bring these couple new workout sets. I feel like that would be cute on the little Jeep tours. So this was from my White Fox video, and then this set, which I feel like will be really good, has these kind of shorter bottoms and then just a matching sports bra. So I'm gonna pack those two, and then I want to pack my athletic skirt, but that's in the wash, with this tank top from Target pocket that's nice and plain, and then the back is mesh, so that'll be good. And as for a cute outfit, I don't know. I'll put you guys here. I don't know if I want to do just like a dress or like shorts and a shirt. Maybe I can bring both since I wanted to bring an extra outfit anyway. Oh, these were one of the pair of flip-flops I wanted to bring, so I'll put those in the pile. I'm wearing my other ones right now. I could bring this dress. I think I'm gonna bring this one. This is pretty cute. It's from Plato's Closet. I don't know if I want like jean shorts or like kind of comfier shorts, you know? A little wrinkly, but yeah, I feel like those would be cute to bring. They're a little big, but I don't know. They're like short denim shorts, which would be good. I have this plain white tee I think I want to bring. My bangs are kind of crazy today. Then maybe just this plain tank top. I don't know. I'll have to try them on, but that's what I'm thinking right now. So this is my pile, and then this is my PJs. I can just bring this set actually. That'll be perfect with like these extra shorts. Bathing suits are in here, and I think it's just like for the hotel pool. Nothing like crazy, but I kind of like this strapless one. The tie came off. Oh, here it is. And I'll bring this one piece if it's like the nighttime or something. Camera stuff I'm using, but I can pack this disposable camera and the headphones and stuff for now and just set them over here. Carry-on / purse I think is literally just going to be like that tote bag I usually bring. I might just like put it in a backpack though for the airport. Now we need toiletries, makeup, hairbrush, and products. I'm gonna add undergarments too. I don't know how I forgot about that, so those are in the laundry. But yeah, I'm gonna go check on that and then probably try on these couple outfits, like the shorts and shirts, and makes really look good together, and pack up the toiletries. Had to kind of stuff these blue ones in because the hook is all filled. Time to take my hamper back. Also, look at this cool one we got from Home Goods. The first one I had, I think my brother Matthew wasn't using, but it was like one of those flimsy ones, so it was always like fall over when I had clothes in it. Then the next one I got was like all metal, but it had like this little design and like it would just always poke me. This is like the perfect one. Okay guys, I have my suitcase here and I'm gonna put in everything I showed you. I added a couple more things after I tried on the outfits, but I'll let you guys know what that is. Okay, so first is this dress. And I think I'm just gonna roll everything up because that usually works best for wrinkles. Gosh, I still have like sand in this suitcase. Then I'm gonna pack this skirt with this tank top. And then I'm gonna pack this set. Still have to like cut the tags out with the sports bra. Sorry, you guys just fell, so you might be a little crooked now. I like have you on my bed, so it's hard to balance. So I'm gonna roll this up. And then I don't know if I'll take this set just because I have two already. I don't know, maybe if we have room. We'll keep this to the side. And then I have my bathing suit. And then I have this cute one piece from Aerie. And then I'll put my pajamas in. I just have this silk set that I got for Christmas from Victoria's Secret. I just saw Madison Beer and Victoria's Secret like collaborate on a perfume. So next I have this skirt that I added in because the denim shorts were a little big. So I feel like this would also look cute with that tank top. I'm gonna pack these in case though. Little Billabong tank. And then I have this plain white tee and these comfy shorts. They have like these little white marks on them though. I don't know if you can see that. And I don't know what it's from, but it's not too noticeable. So I feel like those would look good together as like a comfy loose outfit. And then I have a couple bras that I will put up here too in the little pocket, and some underwear and socks. Okay, so those are all my clothes. And then I'm gonna leave these out to wear with like an outfit like this to the airport. But I'm gonna pack these ones and my Adidas sneakers. Then I also have this little tote bag that I'm gonna bring just to carry my stuff while I'm out and about there. And this little travel kit my dad sometimes will bring back from his trips that just has a lot of various little things in it. So I'm gonna put that in this backpack. This was my school backpack the past couple years, but I just use it to travel now. I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna bring my camera in here. This is for this camera, so I'm just gonna set this by you guys. I have my couple sets of headphones, my sunglasses. I've been wearing like these wider ones recently. I don't know, I usually only have like those square ones, but these are just like go with more. A mask for the airport. And then this bag just kind of has all different things in it. It has some medicines, a portable charger, yeah, just like random stuff, a flashlight. Here's my other camera that only has like one on it, but I'll use that one on the trip. And I have my wallet. So that is everything that I'm going to transfer into here. Sorry, it's going out of focus a little bit. But then I have this bag that I'm going to put my hairbrush in, some dry shampoo, this Aveda serum, and some detangler. And then I just have some hair ties and a clip. And then I still have a lot of room in here to kind of put my toothbrush and face wash and everything. This is where like all my everyday makeup is. I also need to pack my moisturizers here. Oh, and my book. I think this will be good to read on the plane. I have this little bag to put my makeup in. So first is my primer and my BB cream, beauty blender, powder, bronzer, blush. I'm gonna bring like this highlighter stick. I've been using this palette. I like forgot I had it because I usually just used it for the bronzer a while ago and then I ran out, but it also has cool like highlighters and blushes. But recently I've just only been using this highlighter, so it'd be kind of a big thing to bring just for that one. I have my eyebrow pencil and eyebrow gel. The cap came off. I think it's like behind my bookshelf. I just don't feel like getting it and I never even use that marker part, so we're just gonna throw that in. Mascara and chapstick. I'll bring this kind of shinier one by Glossier. And I need my brushes. It's for bronzer, blush, powder, and yeah, I think that's about it. Oh, I'll also try out this. Ooh, look at that. Lip balm with sunscreen in it. Definitely need a lot of sunscreen. There, I feel. I'm gonna actually put this in my carry-on bag. So there we go. Makeup is all packed. Okay, here's my suitcase. I have all my outfits and my bag and shoes, and then my makeup and toiletries. These are a couple more toiletries I need to just like put in smaller things, and I need like a little toothbrush cap. And I made this list. Oh, the fan's going crazy. I made this list for the morning so I don't forget anything, like what to lay out, and then to bring my charger for my phone and camera, and my camera and case. Another thing on the to-do list is to clean the basement, just because Connor and I are here a lot and we usually leave it like this, so just need to clean this before we go. Back to normal. Sorry, the lighting is bad down here. Okay, next thing on my to-do list is doing my nails. Wait, should I make this like complete my to-do list with me? Because that's kind of what it is. I mean, that's like every day, but all these little random things I have to do. Today is a lot. Also, it's not even noon and I'm almost done everything. The only other thing I need to do is deliver a dinner, like Amelia and her family. I think are friends with someone who just got surgery and they live close to me. So I'm literally like door dashing. She's like, can you go pick up this food and bring it to them? So I've never done that. I hear a lot of people do it and I feel like it makes good money, but it's not like through DoorDash or anything, but that's just what I feel like. But that's what I have to do. It's for 5 p.m. though, so after I do my nails, I don't really know what to do. I need to clean them and file them and paint them. The other day when I painted them, they actually turned out good, but then they just don't last long. I use this diamond strength hardener and it's still like chipped a little bit, so I don't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna watch something as I do my nails. Connor's doing orientation 8 to 3, so I think he's gonna come with me to do that delivery later, which will be fun. Oh, your guys' comments on my vlog are so sweet. Thank you. I like all of them. All the one little thumbs up are me. Okay, yeah, I don't really know what to watch. It's kind of been a struggle to know what to watch. So I've been watching like bad things. Like, no, not like bad, but like, I don't even know. I watch Love is Blind. Just like TV like that, where it's just like reality TV. I don't know. I guess it's entertaining, but not the best way to spend your time. I'm so excited for the new season of Outer Banks. That'll be so fun. And all the Twilights are on Netflix now. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna watch some vlogs. Kenzie Elizabeth being a basic LA influencer for the week. Let's see it. Okay, the dryer is finally done. So I'm just gonna start taking this stuff out and folding them into this basket to bring up. Okay guys, I ate my sandwich, plain sandwich today, and I folded my laundry, which you guys saw, and then I came upstairs and now I'm going to paint my nails. I think I'm gonna do this color, use this clear coat I was showing you guys. I just filed them and cleaned them, so should be all good to go. Okay guys, I just finished my nails. They're not the cutest. They still have like some nail polish on the sides of them, but that's what it looks like. my little thumbs. Now just on my computer, I'm gonna delete footage like from my last video, the Q&A. I just delete like all the clips that went into that off my SD card in my computer and off Final Cut like on my hard drive, just so I have more storage. Like if I kept all the random clips that go in every video, I would definitely run out of storage quick. This is my hard drive. It's like ginormous, but that's where I keep like my Final Cut Pro library on, and I like transfer all my final videos and thumbnails onto here too. So I'm just gonna do that quickly. And Sydney called. Sydney has been coming through recently, like she'll call to do things, which is nice. I feel like I've just been getting so tired like after doing nothing for some reason, so I'm so glad like she calls and we can do something, because like I was saying earlier, I don't have anything to do now till I have to like pick up that food later. Okay, now I'm gonna take my SD card out to delete the clips that are still on there, and then I will go make some coffee. Okay guys, I am now back from thrifting, and it's 4:30, so I'm gonna go pick up Connor and then go get that order at 5 to deliver. It was pretty successful. Thrifting, it just takes a while, especially when you're really trying to look for stuff like, you know, going through each clothing item. I changed because it got a little bit sunnier after the rain and a little bit hotter than this morning. I have some water and we're ready to go. Don't mind the AC. Also, sorry, like I've just been looking rough all day. It's just a prep errands day. Okay, we just delivered the food. It went good.
It did.
We didn't just leave it there and leave. The lady like answered.
Yeah.
So it was a little bit awkward. I don't know. She was just like, oh, thanks.
Thanks. See ya. Okay. It's nice though.
Yeah, it was nice. And now we're eating. And we can show them the fort we made.
Sure.
We're planning on expanding it, but this is the first model.
House tour.
Literally. A fort tour. Okay, so we put some baskets, some little stools. This is just like an extra one, but you come down and this is what it looks like. So there's some room in there, but we might put like another blanket over here. I don't even know if that'll work, but this is our starting point. It's really comfy. I like it.